Hello, well welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching. This is another install video, but it's a bit more exciting this time because I'm not having to do it. My very talented barber has finally agreed to fit my system for me and I'm so excited for it. As you can see, this system has the serrated edge. This is supposed to give it a more natural look, so let's get into it. So first things first, we have to shave my patch to make sure that we get the best stick possible. It will also just make sure that the system is flat against the head. And now he's mapping out where the system's going to go. I think we both discussed it would kind of be easier to follow the tan line that I already have because it's summer now. And that is a really good tip when you're fitting your system. If you always want to get your hairline in the same place, follow your tan line. And of course, we've got to use that protector spray. And then what we do, we plonk it on the head, and just so we can get an idea of where we want it to go, and we can move it about a bit, and we can check the back in conjunction with where the front is and whether that's exactly where we want it. And once that's all sorted, we would then mark out the front of the hairline where we want that to go as a guide. Once that's done, then we add a layer of glue. In this instance, we only added one. I think the bottle did say to add maybe two, but I personally think one is enough. But I think it does work either way. 2 layers or 1 layer, it's still going to stick. It's such strong glue that I think you'll be fine either way. Of course, follow the instructions on the bottle if you like. And then starting from the back, we decided to start from the back this time to see how it goes. And as you can see, he's very carefully making sure that that's in the right position. This system came pre-cut by LaVivid to my patch size, which is amazing. It's such an amazing service that they do and makes it so much easier. And then so what he's doing is rolling it from the back to the front and then changing positions and pulling it down from the front as well, making sure to keep all of that hair away from the glue. And there you go. This is a super thin system. There you go. And then you would pull back the front to be able to glue down that hairline just with another layer of glue. But before you glue that down, you must wipe away that white line of eyeliner as your guide, because you will not get rid of it otherwise. And after he cut it, this is what it looks like. I love it. I absolutely love it. Bear in mind, when you have a system fitted, it will always be a bit bigger than what it will eventually settle down to be. Just bear that in mind. But I think it looks great. He cut it in so well and gave me such a lovely fade. He always does. As you can see, this is Legacy in Watford that fitted this for me. And yeah, I'm super happy with it. And then of course when I got home, I do my usual stick straight up look, which I have been mocked for a few times by my friends and family. So thank you so much to LaVivid for this beautiful hair system. Thank you so much to Legacy in Watford for fitting the hair system for me. I think it's really important to mention that this is one of the first times he has fitted a hair system, and he did such an amazing job at it. He's still learning, and he's going to be amazing. I can't wait to see what he does moving forward. So thank you so much for doing that, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.